Hey, this is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com and a very warm welcome to the Email Marketing Mastery course. I'm really excited about this course because I feel email marketing is one of the most important components of digital marketing. And not just that, email marketing is also the most misunderstood part of digital marketing. Many people train people on email marketing, but they have not done email marketing properly themselves, and different experts have different perception on how email marketing should be done, and I will be sharing my perspectives in this course. So some of the experts opinions might differ from my own approach, so that's what we are going to learn in this course. And as always, if you have any questions, you go ahead and leave a comment in this video. I am also creating an exclusive Facebook group for the students of email marketing course, and these questions you can ask it on the group so that I can create further videos based on your questions. So what we are going to do is that we are going to learn email marketing as a part of integrated digital marketing, and I have always believed in the integrated model where every component of the digital marketing module is going to complement each other instead of working in silos. So we are never going to execute social media campaigns or content campaigns or search engine campaigns separately. We are going to make it in such a way that everything works in synchronization. So I hope you have already watched the video on integrated digital marketing before. If you have not, then I have added it as a bonus in this course, and you can find the link within this login for integrated digital marketing. I will also leave a link to integrated digital marketing article on my blog below this video. Make sure that you understand integrated digital marketing. So we are going to learn all the in-depth aspects of email marketing in this course, but at the same time it will be taught in such a way that it is integrating into the system. So most of the lessons will be something where I will be sharing my personal experience and personal journey with email marketing, and from that you will be able to get inspiration and ideas on how to execute email marketing. So let's talk a little bit about what you will learn in this course. Of course, I have already published a list of lessons, but it's going to be more than that. So email marketing as a relationship building mechanism than an advertising mechanism. So this is what we are going to learn in this course, and many people use it as an advertising mechanism where they just collect email IDs and broadcast stuff. But I have ended up believing that email marketing is best for relationship building, and once you build a relationship you will be able to make sales automatically, and email marketing is probably the best medium to build a relationship with your subscribers, and this power is there for us today which was not there pre-internet era. I will be discussing how I use email marketing for my business and everything I know on email marketing. So my promise for you towards the end of this course is that by the end of this course you will know everything that I know about email marketing, and you will be able to come to a expert level or a mastery level. So that is why this course has been named Email Marketing Mastery, and you should be able to master email marketing by the end of this course. You will learn advanced tech stuff with various email marketing tools, and you will be having very good confidence with using these email marketing tools because I will be taking you on a walkthrough of all these tools, and I will be having more practical stuff and less theory stuff. So my other courses do have lessons which are like 1 hour tutorials, half an hour tutorials, and these are going into very in-depth theoretical concepts, but here we will be having mostly practical concepts, and the lessons will be short and sweet, in the sense we will be having 5 to 10 minute video tutorials in most of the cases which will cover a very specific aspect of email marketing. For example, if you want to learn how to build automations and learn how to build behavioral triggers, we will just have 5 to 10 minute video because there is no need to extend one small concept videos into half an hour just because we need to make the video tutorials long. So I also understand that most of the people who have bought this course are already serious digital marketers and want to learn more on email marketing. So that is why this course will be more oriented toward practical stuff, and we will have less theory stuff. So that is why I'm not going to have lessons like the origin of email or the first email marketing tool ever built or things like that. So that is what we are going to learn in this course, and thank you for investing in this course, and I look forward to teaching you all the concepts in email marketing, and I look forward to having you as an active student in this course. So thank you for watching the first video, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.